I have a very important parcel that came today. Oh my goodness. The DJI Air 3S RC2 combo. Whoop whoop. Okay, so this is my first ever drone, guys. I've been watching quite a few YouTube videos on how to use it. Unfortunately, it's raining today, so I might not get to practice it until maybe tomorrow. So let's figure out how we open this. So you have this little green tab that you pull. I don't know if you can see it. But this here, you pull this out so you can open up the package nicely. Oh wow. Oh nice. It comes in this nice little case that you can carry around. So we shall open it. So what do we have here? We have the propellers. I'll show you those later. We have the actual drone. I shall open it. We have something that I have no idea what this is. We'll look at that in a moment. I believe these are the batteries. It comes with 3 batteries. And this is the controller. And I believe this is the charging cable and probably a user guide. Cool. So let's open this drone. It actually feels quite small, like there it is, fresh from the packet. I'm gonna have to watch a lot of instruction videos because yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. Aha, okay, so I think it goes like that. Okay, so that's how you do it. So there it is. That's the drone. It feels nice and light. I love it already. Beautiful. The controller. I got the RC2 because I didn't want to attach my phone. So this comes all pre-built in, so you can just navigate without having to attach your phone to it as well. These are the propellers. Propellers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 propellers that I have. So you'll attach this you attach the propellers on this, but you have to make sure it's color coded as well. I'll do that later. I'm not going to do that now. Aha, this is the what's it called? The lenses. I forgot the name. Completely forgot the name. Get 3 of those as well. So fantastic. I can't wait to try this. I believe this is the case as well, so you have to take this case off as well to start with it. But we'll do that later, you know. First thing I'm going to do is charge the batteries, and then when the weather's better, because it's a bit gloomy today in Switzerland, then I'll take it out for my first ever flight. And bear in mind, I've never flown a drone before, so that should be interesting. But I love videography, I love nature. I live in the beautiful Switzerland near the mountains, and I'm sure once I get some practice, I'll be able to capture some amazing footage. So I'm really looking forward to that. Anyway, thank you for unboxing my new toy with me, and hopefully you will see me soon in the next video. Take care and goodbye.